When we were seminarians, isa po sa mga itinuro sa aming at least a personal disposition whenever we would go for our immersions or whenever the seminary or the diocese would send us to a parish or to a place is to develop the sense of pastoral sensitivity. That we be able to have a feel of what is happening around, what are the needed things, the concerned people, and etc. At mula po sa tinatawag nga nating pastoral sensitivity, sana po maungkat yung mga aksyon na dapat po pwedeng magawa sana sa mga bagay na ito. But I think pastoral sensitivity or sensitivity in its biggest sense was already present during the time of the Lord. And we've heard, or if we are to describe who are these people in our readings today, we can describe them as sensitive people. Gamaliel stood for the apostles and warned those men not to destroy the apostles of the Lord. And on the one hand, Jesus and his disciples showed sensitivity towards the people they were caring for. A sensitive person is a person alive within, sa kalooban, and without, sa kanyang nakikita sa labas. And such was the experience of our characters in our readings today. But their being sensitive led them to being good providers and, shall we say, good friends to these people. Hindi lang po sasapat na mulat ka sa nangyayari o sa pangangailangan, pero alam mo kung ano ang gagawin mo para sa mga taong ito. Hindi lang iiwan sa pagiging alam ano ang nangyayari, pero sana ano ang dapat gawin sa mga ito. Gamaliel asked that these disciples be harmless. Jesus wanted the satisfaction of the 5,000. And again, the miracle of the loaves and the fish were given to them. Noong nabuhay na magmuli si Jesus, he was so sensitive enough that his disciples were so sad. But he came in their midst and concretely gave them assurance that you have nothing to be fearful. And my dear brothers and sisters, bilang mga taong buhay at gising, at sana nga po buhay at gising po tayo ngayon, magkaroon tayo ng pusong sensitibo at ng pusong handang kumilos sa mga nakikita, sa mga naririnig, marahil sa mga nababalitaan at napaparamdaman natin. It will be a blessing to have sensitive people that will be able to see what is already happening, what is already wrong, and what could be the things needed to be done. But it will be a double blessing to encounter sensitive people who knows as well how it is to give and how it is to provide. And with that, in one's sensitivity, we assure each other miracles can also happen.